right? So in last demo class, we're seeing like how to uh, get some account for Amazon Cloud, right? Yeah, did you try it? Yeah, good morning. Hello. Yeah. Tell me how to get this new account for AWS. So we're seeing this process, right? You can just go with AWS free trial. Okay. Yeah, get some new account. I think I hope you tried this. Okay. Whoever missed the last class, okay, you can just see this. So in last class we discussed how to get this DevOps tools. I think in the I said to you in this DevOps course you'll get different DevOps tools. Yeah, including Amazon Web Service and Linux, right? I said to practice all these DevOps tools, we need a cloud computing. We discussed even you have other options. You can go for VMware, VirtualBox, Vagrant. Okay, but the problem is what? Yes, if you use VMware, VirtualBox, Vagrant, what is the problem? You will get it. Yes, you have to allocate your local resources. Okay, if you just go for cloud, okay, so here you can use cloud resources, right? Can you see this? Yeah, we discussed it, right? You can use VMware Workstation and you can use VirtualBox. You can use Vagrant. Okay, so all these tools will use your local resources. In sense, it will use a system memory, like it can use RAM, processor, right? Your machine hard disk. So you have to allocate local resources. But tell me, what is the limitation here in local resources? Yes, you cannot launch multiple instances. You cannot launch, right? For example, I want to launch some 100 machines and using VMware. Is it possible? Can I launch 100 VMs in VMware? So if I want to launch 100 VMs, so first I should have enough resources, right? Yeah, I should have enough memory in my system. But you have better option to go for cloud. So it could be Amazon Cloud, Google Cloud, Azure, right? Yep. So I said to practice this DevOps, so we should have a knowledge of cloud. Okay. I said you can create account for any cloud platform, no issues. Yeah, in last time we started with Amazon Cloud, right? Okay, once you have a cloud instances, then you can practice all these tools. What are tools we discussed, like HA proxy, Git, Maven, GitLab, okay, Docker, Kubernetes, Packer, Terraform, Vagrant, Nexus, Jenkins, Nagios. So all these DevOps you can practice using this cloud. Okay. If you miss the last class, I'll share these documents to you. No worries. Okay, I'll share it. Fine. So now requirement is what? To launch a new Linux machine using Amazon Cloud. And even we have discussed in Amazon Cloud, we have different services, right? Yeah, what we discuss, like EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud Service, okay? And IAM service. What is IAM we discuss? Identity and Access Management Service. VPC, yeah, Virtual Private Cloud Service, Elastic Load Balancer, ELB, Auto Scaling Group, okay? Yeah, we just see some overview, right? Yeah, in last class we have seen all this overview. Even S3 buckets. S3 stand for simple. Yes, simple storage service. Route 53 service. Route 53 is a DNS service. It is right. DNS service, and even EBS. What does EBS stand for? Elastic block storage, right? EBS and RDS, relational database service. So you have multiple services here, right? I said to launch some Linux machines, we can use which service? EC2 stands for, yes, Elastic Compute Cloud, right? Elastic Compute Cloud Service. And even we discuss some more points here. We are seeing some Unix flavors and Linux flavors, right? Yeah, like Solaris, AAX, HPUX. So we find some multiple Unix flavors, Unix distributions, and even Linux. Yeah. So now my requirement is to get some Linux machine. It could be Red Hat machine, Ubuntu machine, CentOS machine. Okay. So I want to get these Linux machines. So let us see how to get it. If anyone missed the last class, so first, please do create your own account in Amazon Cloud. And some members they're asking, sir, can we practice in this DevOps in VMware? Yes, you can practice. You can practice in VMware, but you should have enough memory in your laptop, in your desktop. For example, to practice Ansible, I need some 4 servers. To practice Docker, Kubernetes, I should have some enough resources. So if it is there in your laptop, you can practice. You can directly practice in VMware, then no need to use cloud. Okay, no? But best practices is to go for cloud. Okay. We know our see all our Linux servers. Okay. So most of the servers will run for cloud platforms, right? Yeah. Yeah, fine, Ajay. I'll share these documents. I think already I got your mail IDs, right? I'll share your notes. No worries. Okay. Yeah. Tell me how to get this account. Just go to free tier, create a free account. Create a free account. I said you'll get 12 months of free tier access, right? Yeah, can do it. I said for practice, you can provide some demo details. Okay. Yes, please. I'll share these documents. No worries. If anyone missed the last class, you can just give your mail ID. Okay. Yeah, I'll share it. Yeah, whoever missed that class, you can just follow this one. Okay. So just create a demo account here. So let me get some password. Okay. So let me create a new account, a new Amazon account. And what is the account type we have to select here? Yeah, go with personal. Personal. Here you can provide your contact number. Okay. I said you can provide some proper contact number. Reason is you'll get a verification call from Amazon. Yeah, verification call or verification message from Amazon. So write a proper contact number here. Okay, now. Then for the next slide, you have to provide your debit or credit card details. Okay. So once you get these details, then you can activate your account. Okay. Yep. Okay, no worries. You can just try this method. Okay. Fine. So let me access my account. Okay. Can you see this? Yeah. See, let me log into my account. Here you can find some services. Can you see this? It's the option like services. You have all the services, right? EC2 service. Okay. S3 bucket, RDS, relation database service. You get multiple services, VPC, virtual private cloud service. Okay. So let me go with EC2. So you can follow these steps. Our requirement is what? to get AWS EC2 instance. Yeah, what are the steps to follow? Yeah, it was account export. Select EC2 service. EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud Service. Okay. Then you have an option here to launch an instance. You can choose an option, launch instance. Okay. So right. So once you get an account, you can launch your own instance. So what is service you have to select here? EC2. Yeah, Elastic Compute Cloud. Yes. See, let me go with this. Can you find this option here? Launch instance. So we have a question here. What is instance? Instance is a machine. Okay, it's a machine. It could be Linux machine or Windows machine. Okay, so you can launch a new instance. So now you can follow some steps here. You can just see this. What is step one? Choose an Amazon machine image. We'll say it's AMI, Amazon machine image. Can just specify this. So in this AMI, you can select the machine type. It could be Amazon Linux machine, okay, and Red Hat machine, SUSE, Ubuntu, okay. Yeah, you can find different machines here. Even Windows servers you can create it, okay. Can you observe what they are? This Amazon Linux, Red Hat, SUSE, Ubuntu, what they are? They are different Linux flavors. Yes, we discussed it right in last class. Red Hat, Ubuntu, CentOS, SUSE, Amazon Linux. What they are? Different Linux flavors, Linux distributions. Are you following or not? Okay, fine. So now let me launch this Red Hat machine. Okay, you can go with any machine, no worries. Okay. So can we create multiple accounts? Yeah, you can do it, no issues. Create it. You can have multiple mail IDs. That's okay. Right. So let me go with Red Hat machine. Okay. And one more thing, while selecting machine, you can confirm this machine can have a free tier eligibility. Okay, is eligible. Okay, then go with this. Next one, step two. Choose an instance type, like what type of instance you want to create. Okay, step two it is. Can you find this instance type here? T2 micro, T2 small, T2 large, T2 extra large. You'll get different machine types. Okay. If you go with T2 extra large, you'll get some enough resources, 4 GB, sorry, 4 CPU, 16 GB RAM. Okay. T2 micro can have 1 CPU, 1 GB RAM. Okay. You'll get it. But we know we are created a free tier account. So we are eligible for T2 micro instances. Yeah, to practice DevOps, you can just use this T2 micro. Okay. And can you try this T2 large or extra large machines? Can you try these machines? Yes, you can do it. You can create. Okay, but you will get some additional charges for this. Okay. Yeah. So try to get your machine type. So I said I'll just go for T2 micro instance. Next one, that is step 2. Next, step 3, configure instance details. Here you can specify a number of instances, like how many instances you want to create. Okay, can you just specify here? Can you see this number of instances? One instance. And you can even change this instance count. I'll make it 3. I can just do it. Okay. We have some more options here, like virtual private cloud, VPC, subnets. We can discuss later. What is it, VPC, subnets? We will see it later. No worries. Okay. That is step 3. And step 4 is storage. Like how much memory you want to allocate for this machine. Okay. It's storage. So you can see this. Fine, no issue. If you have any query, you can just type in chat box. Okay, no worries. See this one. Storage. You can see the default storage of 10 GB, and you can extend up to 30 GB. 30 GB. Okay, 30 GB of EBS. EBS stands for. Do you remember we discussed right EBS? EBS stands for Elastic Block Storage. Okay, so you have 10 GB here. If you want, you can extend. Okay, you can do it. That is step 4. And step 5 is a tag. So what is tag here? A tag is a label to this. Okay. Yeah, you miss only one demo session. No worries. Okay. We'll share the documents. No worries. Okay, fine. See this one? You can choose an option. Add tags. Okay. Here, tag is a label. Okay. So let me set this tag. It's a machine for Red Hat. I can just provide a label like Red Hat. So this is a machine for Docker. I will use a label Docker. Okay. So let me go with this. It's Red Hat. Next one. Step 5 it is. Okay. And step 6 is security group. See, someone asks this question to me, why we need this? So I said, right, to practice DevOps, we need Linux machines, Linux or Windows machines. Okay. To practice all the DevOps tools, what we discussed earlier. Yeah. Ansible, Puppet, Chef, Docker. Okay. All these DevOps tools you can practice in this cloud platform. Okay. Yes. So now we are launching a new cloud machine, cloud instance. Okay. Fine. Fine, no worries. For all your queries, I'll just take some last session. Okay. I'll spend some time for you. Okay, no worries. See this. So where we are. So configure security group. The question, what is security group? See, a security group is a firewall to your machine. Is a firewall. Like here you can provide like different IP addresses and different port numbers. Okay. Try to get this point. Step 6. It's clear to you. What is step 7? So what is step 1 initially? Amazon machine image. So what you selected here? Red Hat, right? Next one in step 2, what you selected? Instance type. I said T2 micro machine. T2 micro can have a 1 CPU, 1 GB RAM. Next in step 3, what you selected? Number of instances. I said 1 instance. In step 4, we given storage of 10 GB, and you can even extend up to 30 GB, right? Next, we have specified tags. I said a tag is only label. So you can write your own label for your convenience. Okay. And step 6 is important one, that is security group. Yeah. So let me go with the security group. See, it is your Amazon cloud. And here you're launching multiple cloud machines, cloud instances. Okay. So it is AWS EC2 instances. Yep. My question is how to connect to the servers? All different servers, right? So how can you connect? How can you log into the server? And all the machines are in cloud platform. Yes, they're in Amazon cloud or Google cloud. Fine. See, to connect to the server, we have some options here. Yes, I'll show these 3 options for you. You'll find the 3 options. One is like my IP, anywhere, custom. My IP, anywhere, and custom. Yeah. The question is what? You just launch some instances, right? Yeah, it could be Red Hat machine, Ubuntu machine. So multiple instances you are launch. So a requirement is what? To connect with instance. You want to connect. Question is how you want to connect. Okay. If you choose an option my IP, we are specifying that you want to connect your cloud machines from your system, from your laptop, from your desktop. Okay. So here you have to get your own machine IP address. Okay. So from the single instance, you can connect to this cloud. If you choose my IP. If you choose an option like anywhere, you're specifying that you can log into the cloud from different locations, from anywhere. In sense, you can log into from your home, from your office, from your some if it's a computer lab somewhere. Okay, you can just log in from anywhere. If it is custom, you are specifying here some custom locations, some custom IPs. As I want to log in only from my home, I'll give my home IP address. I'll give my office desk IP address, something. So I can specify like from where I can log in, I can specify this. Are you following or not? So if we choose anywhere, so what's the first option we have? My IP, right? Yeah, if you choose my IP, what will happen? You can always log in from your system, from your laptop, desktop. If you choose anywhere, you can log in from different locations, different places. And if you choose custom, so what you can do, you can choose the custom IPs. Yes. So you can decide from where you can log in, you can decide it. Now tell me which one is preferable? My IP, anywhere, or custom? Okay. Okay, my IP, anywhere. See, if you choose my IP, advantage is only you can log in and others cannot log into this cloud. So it is secure. It is secure. But the problem is it is not convenient. It is not convenient. Always you have to log in from your machine. And go with anywhere, it is convenient to you. You can log in from different locations, right? It is convenient. But the problem is it is not secure. It is not secure. How can you say this? Even others can try to log into this cloud. So it's not secure. And go with custom. Yes, it is a preferable one. Reason is you can choose from where you can log in, right? Yeah, you can set some custom IP addresses. So you can specify from where you can log in. Are you following or not? So here the best one is custom is a best practice. Okay. But come to DevOps practice. Okay, only for practice purpose I'm saying. Okay, only for practice, go for anywhere. Reason is, if you choose anywhere, you can practice the DevOps from different locations. From home, you can access. From your office, you can access. Okay, no? And from your some different location, you can access. Okay, I said only for practice, just go for anywhere. Okay, no? But I said best practice in real time, it is custom. Okay, yeah. Only for practice purpose, choose anywhere. And even if select anywhere, it will throw a warning message for us. You can just ignore this warning, no worries. Okay, ignore it for practice. And here you have to specify even some protocols. So if you want to connect to Linux machine, it's a Linux machine. So which protocol you have to use, which port number you want to use. Yes, I want to use some SH and its port number some 22 something. I have to specify port number. It is some other protocol, some TCP, okay, HTTP, HTTPS. So I can even specify what are different protocols to allow. Are you following or not? So in security group, we can deal with two options. One is from where you want to log in, from where you want to connect is first option. Second one, what are different protocols and ports you want to allow to log in. If it's Linux machine, generally, which port I can use? Port 22, and it is SSH. SSH stands for secure shell. Yes, you can use secure shell SSH. Are you following or not? So if it is some Windows machine, so for Windows, what I can use? Anyone? Yes, I can use RDP, remote desktop protocol. Its port number? Anyone? I said for Linux, I'm using SSH to connect. Supposing it is a Windows machine, it's a Windows server. Then tell me, how can I log in to Windows? I can use a protocol like RDP. Its port number 3389. Okay. So we can specify like what is the port you want to allow, which protocol you want to allow. So all these are come under step 6 security group. Are you following or not? It's clear? Okay, fine. So now let me create my own security group to launch. Can you see here in default, which protocol you can see here? Yeah, default only SSH. SSH. Well, reason is I just selected Linux machine, right? Red Hat machine. Red Hat can have a default protocol, SSH, Linux machine. Okay, it's port number 22. And can you find this source here? I'll discuss it. We have three options in source. What are three options? My IP. Next word. Anywhere and custom. Okay, no? Yeah, if you use my IP, what will happen? Yes, only you can log in from your machines. If it is custom, you can log in from different locations. Yes, it is. Sorry, anywhere. The custom, you can choose custom IP addresses. I'll show this. See, I choose my IP, right? We'll select my system IP address. If I choose custom, I have to enter custom IPs. I have to enter custom IP addresses. Okay. When it is for custom, if it is anywhere, what it shows? 0.0.0. What all zeros denotes? It is public. Okay. So from public, like anyone can access. But I said it is not secure. Okay. No worries. For practice, you can choose anywhere. Okay. And if you felt this protocol is not enough, we can add even some new protocols. That is purely optional. Okay. See, SH is mandatory to connect to Linux machine, and additional protocols are optional. If you want, you can add. Okay. Suppose I want to add something like all TCP. I can add. I can have a range, port range up from 0 to 65,535. I can just do this. Okay. So depends requirement. You can add some new protocols. Fine. I'm going to add these two things, SH and RTCP. Okay. And it's only one time process. We won't do this process for every day. It's a one time process. We can save this process actually. How you'll save it? See what is the option you have? Create a new group, right? I'll write my group name is Devops. My second group name is Devops. So from next time, what I can do it from next machines, I'll go with existing, just existing machine. I will choose DevOps. Okay. So it is creating a second group is a one-time process. We won't create for every machine. Okay. Yeah. Step 6 it is. It's clear? Yeah, it is important one. And what we selected here? Anywhere. Anywhere. Okay. And step 7, review instance and launch. So you can launch your own machine. Okay. Sorry, step 7. You can launch your own machine. Can you see this? There's a warning message here. Your security group DevOps is open to world. Why it is open to world? What is the reason? Anyone? Why it is open to world? Yes, we selected option anywhere, right? Yes, it is open to world. Okay, fine. Ignore this warning. Okay, you can launch your own machine. See, this is a Red Hat machine, Red Hat Linux machine with T2 micro configuration with 1 CPU and 1 GB RAM. You selected some protocols, right? Yeah, and you selected some instance, like one instance, and storage of 10 GB, and you given a tag, Red Hat tag. Okay, just review these details, and then do launch. Launch it. So you can launch a new instance. Okay. So while launching new instance, okay, so it'll ask you a key pair. Tell me, anyone, what is a key pair? Do you have any idea for key pair? Okay. Fine. See, fine, no issues. I'll explain to you. See, if you want to log into your accounts, your Gmail account or Facebook account, tell me how you log in. How you log into your Facebook account? You'll provide your username and password, right? Password. The same way, if you want to log into your cloud instances, Amazon Cloud, Google Cloud instances, you have to provide your key pair. So what key pair contains? A key pair can have these two options. One is a public key, the extension .pub. Okay, so public key it is, and public keys will act like your username. Next one, private key. A private key is your password. Okay, so what key pair contains is two options. One is public key, the next one private key. Okay, tell me which one we have to protect. We have to protect, yeah, private key. So private keys we have to protect for all the time. Reason is, if someone knows your private key, they can also connect your servers. See, if I know your password, I can log in, right? In the same way, if you know your private key, I can log into your cloud. So we have to protect our private keys. Is clear? So what key pair contains? Public and private keys. Okay. And when you launch a new machine for Amazon, you have to create a key pair. Okay. Can you see this option here? Existing and new key pair. I'll go with new key pair. Okay. I'll go with new. My key pair name is Devops. I just given label Devops. And I have an option download key pair. Select this option download key pair. Can you see? We have a key. Devops.pem file will download for us. Okay. So let it download and make it secure. Okay. Then launch. So you can launch a new instance. So view instances. And what is the current machine? Is a Red Hat. Okay, is a Red Hat instance. Set a label like Red Hat. Can you see there are some other instances like machine for Docker, machine for Jenkins. Okay, so they are in stopped state, right? But we have a new instance in pending state. Okay, fine, let it launch. So we'll take some time to launch. It's clear. So with these simple steps, we can launch our own machines in Amazon cloud. Is it clear? So what are steps to follow? Tell me. Select your AMI, Amazon machine. Yeah, I can go with Red Hat. Instance type, we selected T2 micro. Next one, configure instance details. Here I selected number of instances, 1. Storage of 10 GB. You can even extend up to 30 GB, no worries. The storage. Tag I just given a Red Hat. You can change your tag, is optional. Security group is what security group can deals here. Said right, from where you want to log in to cloud. I said anywhere, okay? I want to log in from different locations for practice. And review instance, then launch. While launching, we selected a key pair. Here we have these two options, public and private keys. Okay, fine. Can you see machine is running? You have a running instance, right? Fine. The question is how to connect with the machine. How can you connect? How to connect to this cloud machine? Tell me. Okay, put T. Okay. Next, anyone? Okay, yeah. See, we have different options to connect with the cloud. Okay, you can use putty, you can use super putty. Okay, I'll show with you. Can you see this? See, on desktop, I have a putty. So through putty, I can connect, no issues. Okay, I can even connect with super putty. Can you see this window? This is super putty. Even if it will help us to connect. Okay, and I can use even git bash. Can you see git bash? So you have different ways to connect to this cloud. Okay, fine. So first, let me start with git bash. Let me start with git bash. Reason is git bash is simple to configure, simple to connect. Okay, so once it's done, you can even try putty. I'll tell you how to do that one. Okay, so first let me start with git bash. So how to get git bash? Git bash you have to download and you have to install. Okay, you can search with the label. Can you see the label? What to search? Git for Windows. Git for Windows. Search with the label. Just Google it. You'll get this page. Can you see an option to download? Yes or no? You can just download. Yeah, you can download this git bash. So let it download and install. Can you see? The file can download first. Download and install this. It's a git for Windows. Okay. So once you install this package in your local machine, okay. See, let me get this git bash. Select this option, git bash here. Can you see this? This window is git bash. This window is a git bash. Okay. Yep. I said PWD. What is PWD? Present working directory. Where I'm in desktop, right? So let me go to downloads. How can I go to downloads? CD, CD downloads. CD stands for anyone? CD stands for change directory. Change directory. What is symbol denotes? The tilde symbol is a home. At home directory. At home, I have downloads. So I want to move to downloads. So how can I go? CD downloads. Just run this command. See, we are in downloads. Earlier we are in desktop. Now we are moved to downloads. And do ls. Sorry, do ls. ls stands for list. Listed. Now, can you find your key? What is the key you downloaded? Devops.pem, right? So with this key, you can connect your servers. Are you following or not? So when you open this git bash, you are in desktop. So how to go to downloads? CD downloads, change directory downloads. Now we are in downloads. Do ls. Ls is a list. So you can find your PEM file, your key, private key. Okay. So now you can connect your servers. It's clear. Yep. Tell me how to connect to the server. Yeah, no issues. I'll explain all these commands for you. I said, right, I'll take separate sessions for Linux commands. Okay, no? We can discuss. No worries. Okay. So we got this PEM file, right? Tell me how to connect. Just go with the option. See, in this Amazon cloud, you have an option to connect. Can you see here? Connect. And copy this whole string. What this string contains. See, the single statement can have a complete information. Okay. Here you'll find SSH. Tell me what is SSH? We discussed. Yeah, we discussed, right? SS stands for secure shell. And what is devops.pem? Is a key. What is EC2 user? Username @ host name or server name. See, the single command can have a complete information, complete details. So what do you have? SSH. Your key. Devops.pem is a key, what we downloaded. EC2 user is a username. @ this complete string is a host name. In sense, for which server you want to connect, server name. It is server name. You can write even your machine IP address. No worries. You can write your IP address. In sense, for which machine you want to connect and who is your default user. My default user is EC2 user. It is my username. Next one, what is a key you want to use to connect? I want to use a key called devops.pem to connect. Next one, how you want to connect? I want to connect using SSH. Secure shell. Said right, we can connect with Linux machine using SSH. Are you following or not? So the single command can have a complete information. What is it? To which server you want to connect? Who is your default user? EC2 user? How you want to connect using a private key? And what is the protocol you are using? SSH. Okay, no? So copy this whole command. Is important one. Just copy. Just do copy. And go to git bash. Paste it. Just copy and paste. Now it will ask you, do you want to connect? Say is a confirmation, yes or no. Just say yes. See, is connected. So you are connected to Amazon cloud machine. Are you following or not? With these simple steps, you can connect. So, sir, how you'll confirm it is a Red Hat machine? How you'll confirm this? Tell me, anyone, how to get is a Red Hat machine? Region solving we'll discuss later. No worries. Okay, no, we'll see. Yeah, yeah. My question is what? How you'll confirm this is Red Hat machine? Yes. So you have multiple commands here to get the machine type. Okay. So let me use a simple command here. Cat etc os release. Run the simple command cat etc os release. What cat command will do? Will display data. Will display data in a file called os release. Os release is a file. In this file, I have this information. What is information here? It's a machine. What is it? It's a Red Hat with 8.2. Okay. So you'll find this is a Red Hat machine, right? Are you following or not? Okay. So what are the steps to follow to create? Okay. See, I'll just show it once again. No worries. See this one, I want to launch a new machine. Then what are the steps to follow? Launch instance, Amazon machine image. What we selected here, Red Hat, right? Now I'll try this Ubuntu. I'll try this Ubuntu machine. Ubuntu 18.04 machine. Can have eligibility. Select T2 micro instance, same instance it is, 1 CPU, 1 GB RAM. And how many instances? Yes, I need one instance. And one instance. And what is storage? Earlier we selected storage of 10 GB, right? Now it shows default 8 GB. No worries. If you want, you can extend it. If you need 10 GB, you can just change it. Okay. We can extend up to 30 GB. Okay. So you can add even more space, no worries. But I said, right, additional charges will apply for you. Okay. If you have exceed this 30 GB, you'll get charges. Next one, tags. I'll go with the tags. The machine for Ubuntu machine. Security group. Tell me, can I create a new group or select existing group? What I can do? I can just go for existing, right? So already we have a group, right? Yes, just go for existing. And what is the group name we have created? Devops, right? Select Devops. Devops. Next one, review instance and launch. While launching, you just confirm this. Yes, is a Ubuntu machine you are creating with T2 macro configuration. Just review, then do launch. Tell me, while launching, it will ask you a key pair. Tell me what I can select. Existing key or new key? Again, it is existing key pair. Okay, so same key you can use for multiple machines. Same DevOps key you can use. Okay, if you can even launch new keys, no worries. But if you launch multiple keys, you may get confusion. Okay, suppose you have some 100 machines. If you're using 100 different keys, you can use it, no worries. But you'll get more confusion. Okay, to avoid this, you can use a single key for multiple machines. I use the same key, a DevOps key, download, sorry, launch, view instance. Is a new machine for Ubuntu. Is Ubuntu machine. And what is the machine state? Machine state is a pending. Fine. So let it launch. Tell me how to connect to the machine. How you'll connect? I said, right, you can use different options, putty, git bash, super putty. So we have a number of ways. I said a simple method, git bash. So first you can try this one. If it is clear, then go for other methods. Okay. So let me go with git bash. So when you open Git Bash, it shows you are in desktop, right? But where to go? Where to go? Downloads. Your question, why we need to go to downloads? Reason is our keys are in downloads. Our keys are in downloads, right? Okay. So when your key is in desktop, then you can directly connect from desktop. Okay. Yep. If you don't want to do this process, you can do like this. Go to downloads. Sorry, go to downloads, copy this key and paste in desktop. It works. No issues. Okay. No? You have to move to the directory where you have your keys. It's clear. So my key is in downloads now, and see the machine state is running, right? Running machine. And tell me how to connect. Just do connect. Get this whole command. What this command contains? Tell me. Said right. The single command can provide a complete information. Yeah. What do you have? Your key. Next one, username @ hostname or IP address. Okay, so it is my host name, my server name it is, and default user. If you see the earlier machine, we have a default user like EC2 user. Reason is it is a Red Hat machine, right? But now we are launching Ubuntu machine. So default user is Ubuntu. Okay. Next one, you have to get your key. What's the key? Devops.pem. And how you want to connect? Using SSH. Okay. So let me copy this whole command. I'll copy this whole command. Go to Git Bash. Just paste it. So there's confirmation. Do you want to connect? Say yes. Yes, I want to connect. So it will automatically connect. This is connected. So you are connected to Amazon machine. Tell me how you'll confirm this machine. What's the command I said to you? Cat etc os release. If you run the simple command, you'll find the machine type. This is Ubuntu. Okay. Are you following or not? So for next class, your task is what? So create your own account for Amazon, okay, and launch instances. Is it clear? Can observe this. Here we launch two different machines. One is Red Hat machine and Ubuntu machine, and we have these two instances in which cloud platform? AWS. Okay. So for next class, it is your task. Is it clear? Okay. So try to launch your machines. And once you launch machine and how to work, what are different Linux commands? Okay, we can discuss, no worries. Okay. Yeah. Yes. So you can try this one. I will share these documents to you, to your mail IDs. Okay. And one more thing, once you practice these machines, so don't let the machines to in a running state. Okay. Just select this machine. Suppose once you practice all these things, select, go to actions. You have an option, instance state stop. You can just stop it. And if you don't need this machine further, you can just terminate it. So let it terminate, remove. Terminate is remove, okay? But don't let the machines to run continuously, okay? No? You can just either stop or do terminate. Are you following or not? You can try this one, okay? So I'll share this document to your mail IDs, okay? Yeah. Any queries here? Any queries? Okay, I just explained a simple method how to connect to Amazon Cloud and how to launch instances. Okay, I hope you can try this one. Okay, so why we need to do this process? I said, right, to practice DevOps, we need this cloud instances. Okay, yep. Yeah, I said, right, I'll take some Linux separate classes for Linux. No worries. Who are new to Linux? Yeah, no need to worry about this. I will discuss each and every command further. Yeah. Fine, continue. I'll just close this session here. Okay. So we'll see you on tomorrow. Yeah, you can even launch Windows machine.